Hello and welcome. The purpose of the videos that we are going to see in this class is to see how we can use the array modifier and the mirror modifier to make almost identical objects. And this is something that we may need in some occasions. We may need to model a base object, which is going to be this in our case, and then we need copies, but once we have the copies we need to make slight adjustments to each of them. So that's a situation that we may find ourselves into, and that's what we are going to see how to proceed. So I am loading this as a reference, and here we have it. If you don't know how to load a reference, Shift A for a new object, image, reference, and then you get the file browser. So the first we're going to do is to align this button here, grab Z, and I'm going to see if I can turn on the screencast keys. Yes, it's working. They show here. So this is basically where the base is pretty much aligned. And now we are going to start modeling our base. We are not going to do the handles so we don't stay here eternally.